me den di edu efrempon o ma bia re nkan ko ne mpuntu ogina enwumasua so ne sent na Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education ne Ghana National Council of Private Schools Edumadi bia ya to ne disa nim de kwa nkyere e de brem Royal TV me ndawe ene me nda bia na ona na fa de kokopim na onum enefa sa edumadi we so na ya to yensa de afre enwumasua mu empanyimfo sukuu ahyerkyerefo ene sukuu empanyimfo so omu nyina amra na oha no dadwe bia ekoso sukuu mu no yenya ehun mpetimpese mu na so be so ba sa edumadi we so a aye amatofo egu sa access video so no frɛ esiso nimde kwa nkyere yekura mutwe
Yamamakwa ababa dwumadi a yato ne din nimde kwa nkyere atiefo ne ahwefo Ghana National Council of Private Schools ene de aba yedi dwumadi ya aba se yedi ba beboa ama ankrankra num sukuu num ama ohaw amane a ewo sukuu mu nyina no yebeyi na die na etumi aboa ama oman nwumasua akonkan ewo anim enti ahwefo ene atiefo nyina yebe stress munya bre na muntie dwumadi ahoro a egusu a yede bebre mu private schools ye woni pa enu nti yebe stress awofo mofura teacherfo educational consultants any GS officials nyina no mo behwe nimde kwa nkyere esanse sa dwumadie e woni pa e de mamo obia entra mutuku na fe dwumadie bi obia no onfa mra no onfa meboa nimde kwa nkyere
Emma Joe, my addition, can proprietors sit through at a chair for any school of fra and Imre. Motimu TV, Honamore, our TV, station Papa Pa Bacope. And a woman when Imre no, and the pa ye, as I say. You won't penny for a cuckoo dam, you will have no matrician como and Imre. And Nacops, and our TV, named Dear Quanch program so. Na OCCA onyankopon adom ena de ye beboa mo pa ma mo hunu se o pese o ye school a ho nsem ye bebre se na wonim nim dia country program no e wo ho se beboa private schools titru enti so we pese o fi ase private school kura obeye den eno ho nkomo ne ye betwetwe no eno da nchen a ye de mbako schools akasie mienu mu na makohe mofra no so agro bia wodi a anika papa chese nya adesua nko ani book da bia na otisi nwomam ntia no so ene ye behu schools akasie mienu Janet Educational Complex and a Pella Model School almost be display kakra be diagro kakra ama ye niaje na opani a obedi anim am ye sa de no eye Landy the talent hunter ubehu no ne ho ani ka basa mesro yan company mfo a adwumre ne won ebedi dwuma no so na afei ye hwese ne adwumadie ni nyina ebesi akro mensa bongum so pe opani a odikan eye eno kwasi jetua ankoana hey no
medini mo na ho se
no ho na mo so be se onye nipa atwa enyimre die ye bagini mde de akoti school enti minim se ebe de pa na oye national executive no emu ba kon Ghana National Council of Private Schools ono director penimpa ave ye fi hono ma opening kasi a otoa ono nso so eye Dr. Mante Jektenya akon ono nso so na etoa so no doctor enso so Ken UST ono so company for eda Ghana National Council of Private Schools no ano na odi akotin pa yi ho ya ba bi o free ba no a o ne papi agene no so edunim na also wanya ne say obey hwehwemu no de ntete ama me ka teacher for o kira de no edi ne hwehwemu ne ntete no egoyie ye beka ho asem eza se wuntimi nti school wabra onye hwehwemu bia eno nti no enyumre dwumadie no de eye ne a menim se ye bewie no na ye sua pi afrim ye sua pi nti ma ofidie ne na haya RTV station papa ba kope eza se wode de aboa amanfo ena eba na wa private school so akwanya nti sa wo ye proprietor na wo fie o yo wofo na pese wo ba enso so enya platform bi ejina so na wakasa na ema mansan hu nia owo a fa ho kodom nacops fa ho bo RTV fa super glue ho na so remote no fa to RTV obi sisan kura e free ho na eno so beboa ama da bia benya nacops eso mfa so na nam nimdie kwankyere no so kwankyere nimdie ebe kyerɛ eno ni program a yegusu a ye hwei wo na wo hwede wo da wo hwe enti mekɔ empanimfo no so na ye fiase ene se nam di kan no how to set up a private school we dem apoto kakra mi kyerɛ mu a banya misika ena me kan mani me fa nko Dubai me fa nko Togo me fa anti school me fa nya den ena obi si school ya pa nje se de my man just met school opening ankoana hey mesro me nya den e pesa me school
yo ye be fasa kwan so na ya chia Ghana National Council of Private School for any woman penning any or na or can a bemu a woman suyamu Director General of Education Yachiao Minister of Education himself share also Yachiao so so near war Aquania say yen yanoma or more war a chichini bench na say was a bisa will be saying say me paswa say o say ye tisuku a e kwan ben na ye mfa so ye hwa Ghana ha suku do so pa ye ana ankran suku no so akosoro pa ye na ye kan nyina bo ma se de bia no hwe na ye 222,000 private schools na wo man
ai ayasam kitwa na se wo beti private school a unya ma mfie mienu a se wo de boaboa ho ti private school masa gina ho panin gina ho mfie mienu me craze ka me pese me school na mfie mienu me sro kirem
esan se wo ahomboa bi a o ye bibia na o se oba be makra o be ware a o se wo siesie wo ho kopel to wo mpa o pe umpeti a on kanyema sa na wo beti school se se wo boaboa na ahoboaboa no akoso a mfie mienu e wo anamo bi se wutu na de di kan ne se
mesro gina ho wasama wo kan die enti sa na ekoso de wo beti school a eno wo hia mfie mienu sa to wani bi sa na wati school no mesro kirem o kan ahoboa ho asem ahoboa sen ya me wo skanda me wo na mesa boa me ho sen bi se manya skanda wi anu an se me fi ase na me boa me ho sen me so kira ho boa na wo kan
boa no mu no egumu ahoro bebre ba ye be fa emu dumiensa ya tiche mu ahoro dumiensa ye di kan no ene ne se wo be dwen se school na wo tie no kra empempenso be na apese school no wo sha ase edi free na wo di kodru isan say school bi wa be sha ase bi a KG nko an totofefo nko an e wona be se wo di dru obi o be sha ase o be se bi a free totofe wa mo kopim e bi a gina pension class 6 e wona be se wo di kodru obi o so be sha ase o se me sha ase from nursery to e bi a JHS eno nso so e wo ho and obi o so otimi sha ase kra from nursery to senior high school eno nso so e wo ho and obi o be sha ase bi a menti sa de nyina but meti senior high school nko an ana se meti suapon mu nko a tertiary nko a enti de di kan se wo so hunu gina pen a wo pese wo ti school no ye den ekokoduro no de di kan
me da se pa e wo de awaken ma men ko doctor so na me misa doctor ebedu ba bia opani yakasa asie hwehwemu bi wo ho a eho behia se obi eye ese ohwehwe bibi oye nhwehwemu bi ansana watoa so
openi mi dase na mefa akwanya nsu na mechia omo hwe RTV na mutie ndie kwanche so na mechia na kopsin penifo nyina so meba wasam no so ehwehwe mu die bebre wo ho sabi ansa no bi beka se obeti school no also tia say school we eni okwanya say bia wo sorry ya wanya osika intimate in school ye won hwesofo sabi aban hwesofo ye ka say bia minister no hwe ni ministry so and a young other bodies national ministry na say fan say there be say GS no me at the Ghana Education Service ne kaka it I say sa ankura
ekueku
ni nyina ana baby a wo si school na kasa no na wo ti school na kasa kra no e bia wo district bi mu ana say wo metropolis bi mu nti I say hefa and omo hwe adisua so ha e bia enter say education service for any ade nya hefa and omo na wo bia we nyina sabi o man bia wo ne friend educational policy ni twi no e bia be we kakra but your educational policy
Ebacho, you know, opani misro educational policy misro pen ma no. Also had ngumesua enhihye. Okay.
Ngumesua enhihye.
When they buy.
Yeah, Ministry of Education ngumesua so ye e de aba.
Medase. Doctor Twaso.
Now, so educational policy ne fapem no constitution. Say akwala bia na say Ghana ni bia o school edan e na ban ni pese onya entino say
pacho jina ho kakra say Ghana ni ba bia o school den na ban pese onya say bia car ana say bia obesi ni fie ana say aban pese onya no pese o kire ho no sen e che sen
o sha adisua mu no ana school ye kwenya basically niama miensa pa na yesua akinkan na yesua achoro na fa yesua sanya ade na wo kan ya na ade na wo try no wodi be ya djuma wodi be bubra na wodi aboa oman a woti mu nti anu and the basic policies so you should know how to read, you should know how to write, and then you should know how to implement what you've read and written.
Okay, it is our king kind. Now what true? Now the near king kind actual yen muntiasiano, abo bra, and yes, sir.
Abo bra, elbow mine, and yes, sir. I was saying all these educational policies. Nazania Minia Ankwana Kai said, Milia KG no, a day policy near dear. Say, I will say do plus 6 policy bank, and I will say, dear. I will say do JHS policy bank, and I will say, dear. And I will say, Sanyama Wayna answer. Back I say, Abia Wushi school no cry. And yes, sir, we are on the best. Sabi sabi makome from akotu me banchi me dey bebu kwan so bia metobi
me da se pa what be any nakos mo wone mo papa de ma private schools na ho kwan kese school bi e de no baba be bon nakos e say so de no bon nakos asa anim defo kuku dam say na doctor o kirade wo suapon mu a wo suahu bi a obitimi di aboa na minim say and obetimi aboa ma nakos aboa ma private schools anyanyina so pa yeda wase pa de yedroyi menim say school for ma twan ya che na so ebre na so se si you know ye be ma landi the talent hunter kwan no de yakọ Janet Educational Complex ofriwa wodi yakọ Pella Model School na yakọ hweka kre bia fa ne amofra no so etimi ye anye adesua nko a nemom enyom to asa ebeka poem ye beyewi ni nyina so kan setena ne adesua aye ne ho na ye koba baba mpanimfo yi so na ya toa so afi ho na ya hwe this say the Landy the talent hunter so mo na toa so emame
a team for another for Mama Kwaba. I am so for Landy, the talent hunter. A bravo for no mudo. And no bottom, and some cussy new project channel. Knuckles, the Ghana National Council of Private Schools. And the talent hunter, and no schools, as a shame of Franco Toa, or what up too much a year. And more funny big too much a year. Hi! Adumate de penny. Me say, Olibeti keke. What the heck? Me don't want to finish here so. Janet Educational Complex. Let me go be kakre. This watch now. Dimechi, na go Janet Educational Complex. Na ko show ni so ade oh.
Me din de Isabella Joycelyn Abna Intel because ku Janet Educational Complex. A waterful insurance. Me jina pen insia. Ma wen sama me ba beki. That you need din say asumdie. Ano bre ma abato. Ano fia wa kufu akoma. Otu ayeme. Me nso me ni bi. Na emum otu ayeme. Me die me di eye behye no. Supporter ashen, singlet ashen, trousers ashen, shirt assign ashen che. Na me the space at house. If we say me a King Kong and a year then so be a beku say we ye mu King Kong. The aduane besi wo kunu so. Someone for beku say obi antumi fa wachi enka form. The sika behye wo bottom so be a beku say ohun ye dine. The impuntu obeba wo man abrabo mu. Jina sumdie Jini Ajumaden, Jini Inkabo, Jini Impuntu, Giant of Panther, na ano bre ma abato, Damasi.
Your love has taken over me. Yes, I've learned to depend on you. I've got confidence in you, oh Lord. I put my trust. Your love has taken over me, 'cause I've learned to depend on you. I have confidence in you, oh Lord. I put my trust. In your love, your mercies endure forever. Jehovah Adonai, you know that baby.
He has given me victory. Oh, my God has given me victory. He has given me victory. Oh, all the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you gave to me, Baba. Lord, I say for your love I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh. Oh, I search around, there's no one else like you. Lion of Judah, you're the man in battle.
God has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
Hallelujah. 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 Come and see what the Lord has done for me. He has taken away my sorrows and now I'm free. I got me, hallelujah, bro. I got my hallelujah, power. Because of Jesus, every day that I got out it. Double, heavenly blessings, now him I receive. Ah, yeah. God, in your grace and mercy is always to follow me. Yeah. He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
God has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
He has given me victory.
Hallelujah. 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 If Jesus
me all this year, me dear, but a dear was so mine.
Oh la la! And at the honor, some kind. What does one you Janet Educational Complex. Yay! How Musisa, Bakuyan who say, hey! And create a talent. Hey, that talent hunter, money problem. We said the move to who? Yako, that talent hunter. Yako, that talent hunter. Yako, Tafu Honma or Tafu. Abonu. Scooby saw you from the Bella Model School. Hey! School and everybody, the school with the heart. Walk by faith. Learn to live. Hey! Odi ya nkoni ya nkosha nkurano aduma tade ya okita wa akasa woni tie bi na obehu Pella Model School.
Il est temps de louer le Seigneur.
Applaudissez tout à toi. Applaudissez tout à toi. Applaudissez tout à toi. Yo,
Tiefo won tia oh dia pela fon kwa ne be ye eh enko ne kita aduma chedie sei the talent hunter me to who she screen as wo me number na ho no frɛ me to who me ba usku mo the talent hunter na wo che se ne ye be hia bye bye.
Ene da ho no same ka kire am ene da ho no kama enye buku ni atwere ne akenkan no nko aho ya mamre ne amane ne ma bi so hihye mofra no mu a esase ya ma wan kwanya bi titisei no wada na di esanse ebi anyomtofo ebi be yi movie ebi be ball ebi be draw ebi be design bi be si dan na esa nyeme ye ka ho e wo school no ene na bo amofra no nti enkom nhye da mo saa abasa de watwa kese ne dwen se so won fa so wachen de wantwa bi no enso nya de otwa kese e na di yi nya sa eye nyina obia so won fa so nti se wo ya TV sabre ya wo nim de kwankere eso nti bomodin se wo be he number na egu wo TV na se no na echire wafre obetim so send WhatsApp message na yebedi hu djuma na wa haw bia wowom no yede aboawo enim de kwankire RTV so na mohwi enkoma ya twetwe sesi a grandpa meni mabadwafo etwetwe onia jetua ne doctor ya sama ye kanyina ne se me pese me fi school ase me she school ase me nya misika pese me ti school me den ya bobo so ba bedru baabi chese obaye nhwehwemu ahoro obehu yes video education policy chese aban ne nhyehyɛ ne mra ne opese school ni bia nya na de yadro die meto ama opening kase jetia angoana obodo agino meto ama no wato aso afi baabi ayedu ye no eniema ben ena esese ye san ye kan ye di kan bobo so no ho a ebeboa ama yetimi ahye private school ase e wo kwan ye papa pa so
yo grandpa me da ase na ye to aso ne de na de ye to aso bi mu ye business plan Who share school as here?
Nipa cho gina ho. Bravo no so. Bravo no so. Bravo no so. Business plan. Eja, Mr. Wu. Omo opeso at this school ni obi anete business planner ase. Edi Mr. Chirim. O ka say business planner. Eye de ade.
Dwumadie na wo bedie pa no. Nhihye ya wo hihye e de aba beboa wo beyi ne ho adie de abeboa nwomesua.
Menti ase. Menti ase.
Onse sesi ya hwe nimdie kwankyere talent hunting. Onse mo friend bi be sai bi be kan nse bi so be ye mimi drama bisa. Ni nyina say ye wo book ma disua ade. Nenso so wo business plan ne say me ke na me di ka nwomesua ne ho a ebe mma me school na da sonko.
Let us say me te wase a to say Janet Educational Complex and a Pella Model School. So why na hihye no person kura no etimi esa e kan asem kire asem bi e ya adesua de bia. This ne plan mu no what they can ho sa.
Yo enu ne say obi a school no obi atibie na ye kira de nti so kwade na wo be. Question. It is a wunya business planner. Ebe boa ama wo school na ada sonko. Nti eno no nso so betima ma wo nya ama wo ahoniri mu akonkan say o fa a teacher fo a obe fa teacher ni a obe fiti wo business plan.
Na kire se bete wase pa yi a say Pella Model School proprietors any Janet Educational Complex omo fa teacher for no omo fa obi onim twene boka obi onim asa obe kire asa na esa opesa onkra no to nyoma obomode onyum to ma wo plan mu no na offer business plan won hihye mu no esa ofa obi a onim nyum to ahoya teacher ni nyesa
santi onipa ko no de application ba nipa ko na applicant ni profile mu no obe kire se bi a minim ball bo minim nyum to minim asa minim we ni enti wo no wo ye ni interview no ai no so kan san hye no obe pick se nipa ko na mena siutu o business plan na o ye mfa ne say wo pese importem ho no mo wo suku no dan sonko wo agrokansi na ball ho mu enti se nipa ko na wo ba no obi wo ko ye education in let's say physical education. In the physical education or years education. Oh, fan don't say nipa ko beta boa ama ball military and you moto on say ade na konkai wo school mo ho. Na etimi aboa ama teacher phobia obefa bia no asi pepepe wanye business plan na obefa teacher phobia be school mo ho unhunu adekode pote pa opese school no munsa eka.
Okay, Matthias here pa na say won hihye ne opese wo ye ni nyina no wo bepa ho akire nipa wo ho nim de ni ade sane ebe ya ebe ma wotima du sa abotae no ho na say no na kwa ye business plan na say business plan na say wadwuma no ho nhyehyeye
wadwuma no ho nhyehyeye oh tambe na ye nyina ye pon no miensa e bia ofo me de me pon no nan.
Yes.
Don't treat about me, the
yes.
Sir, Utuasu be a monsoa. As I said, O fa, and if I'm your new media, will you move through my enye or headmaster? And I said, to train near or his school, no so.
Yes.
Any obia or yet business managers. I will not over his school, no so. Over 4 marker.
Medasi. Say, the was your account, Sabum, Mr. Mijawa.
Fire said,
oh, about time, Doctor, Mr. O, and near my teacher, but also, and near my teacher, bang, Mammy Mienu. Ah, you beat me at the Dijuma, a bit me up private school. Say, would be ashy.
Your grandpa, that's it. Now, near manager, Sanya. We are quite a kai, a dozen, but young share Bakubi said, I dear hope the empty crowd party school, but I buy pan is so and him say, who pediatric school.
Doctor, but I had me pisca, and then I'm better to school. And I don't know, okay. But I made this school up his car.
Now, what? Sikani dear, I'm only a beer will ultimate in, but ɛdeɛ bɛn paa na school no ɛwɔ sɛ school ne
o pɛ sɛ ɔde school ne yɛ free school no mu ba sɛ yɛde wɔn fa soɔ no to nkyɛn a
brɔfo kasɛm ne yɛbɛka sɛ the mission and the vision. The mission and the vision of the school. If you say something, person me baba school. I did first thing I mentioned is say, Ebia, sabi, mijidi emuniye. Ebia mijidi emuniye. Ebia, say na me person mi bu say na me person mi. Enti at the crowd person with the school niye. As I say,
as a mission.
Mission is so. One of the things I also would throw clearly. And it's all share schools in the Hobber Corner. What share school no near trouble. Say, to bring out disciplined children, to bring out intellectuals, to bring out God.
No one said now can. Me ko Janet the pela kra ne bi bobo. Mo jina say dan ko so. Me ya baby so.
Na enu no e ho nya pa if say e mo bi ode ne baba ho no. E hu say me de me ba ne ba school a ana me de me ba ne ko pela ana me de ne ko Janet
educational complex.
Akra de be fi school ho no na wanya santitie we. Into mission and vision no segment na eye into child do ma akra ne tofa. Na enu so ehu hia pa e na ba ko bio a ye be kan wan san ye say school no kura he for na odisi e na adinti e na wodi school no esi ho
let us say baby a wo koye school no ene de enti a person odi school no ko ho no e bia school ni ho e yesu ma hu baby a sepela fo ni say baby o no school be 20 na wo ho let's say de wo kan so hu hia pa o
school 20 na wo ho no be kire wa di ni e bia pela nya ni sika no I say make party school any initial studies and our research and who said schools 20 years ago ni nyina no adie bi wo ha o man na important ho no omuhia enso
bi ni ho enti sa ade no wo be friend say no ni mission ne vision nana
no mission ne vision ne de enu ni nyina e wo ho de but we say the ultimate focus of the school no is that Sadia way I go and Colania.
No, maybe Betty
school, none the Ama and Colano. Now, Jamie Chow, I did be a for 4 years. Oh, school way dear. And Colano, Quano, but in school, dear Colano, my wife, she crowd over the Zabia, or quite be now, their school.
Yes,
I did not walk with your shots in the say. Oh, who said, I dear, a potem hope for Niano. And oh, dear bro.
Medasi doctor wakasapa net say baby a wodi school e kwa akosi ene de kodia enti wodi school no e ko ho no ehu hia pa no yeda wase baby a adrui adofo teacher for proprietor for yeda mase se mo so mo ehwe se adwumadie na we de ya hyase o mo nkoso ana mo hwe nimdia kwankyere ewo Royal TV sanya NACOS Ghana National Council of Private Schools epese odi edijuma eno ba me fa won kwan enchia na naba brew sampa meboa nipa ba brew bedase nipa ba brew ba me enchia o modern a wo so bo ewo NACOS no emu no yani asopa nanim Ghana National Council of Private Schools NACOS ayen hihye fe ye be pese ye be mamu ahu se ne be ya modesa akonya no e be di djuma na atumi aboa ye dan ye ho kakra bi aba ye ba ya ye be tie hihye ya waye me fa say program lineup and I say is that me ka no one program waye a say wote na di djuma sa wo ye school ru a me sro man chekura fa ho be dom NACOS fa onkura na bra na ehu ye de kakra bi onipa ejina ekire opase obedi djuma no ye kanka e bebre na so ye brinti kakra bi ne ebetimi ade ama eji wo so ba o school ne ye be se ye ba boa wo de na program yi so NACOS enso ne mpanimfo be ba wa so ye na wa be boa wo ne ma na ye kan wa ha ne de dooso na ye twitwa so ni details anasa ne popa esimu no bebre no mpanimfo no baba no wa betena se na wa boa wo what is school ni dada so na nema bi nkoya Ghana National Council of Private Schools abeboa ama akoyi masamo yawa grandpa de sa na sem tintin enzo benden kokra kasa tintin ma min twa me ho kakra bi me ba ye beka na course program so ma hihye no ho ase
mpon ọmọ biara ne nkan ko ne mpuntu ogina enwumasua so ne sent na Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education ne Ghana National Council of Private Schools regiment bi a yato ne disa nim de kwa nkyere e de bremo Royal TV memenda we ene memenda bia na ona ne fa de kokopim no onum ene fa sa regiment we so na yato yensa de afre enwumasua mu empanyimfo sukuu ahyɛkyerɛfo ene sukuu empanyimfo sa omu nyina amra na ɔha no dadwe bi a ɛkɔ sukuu mu no yenya ɛho mpɛtimpɛsie mu na so pɛ sɛ ɔbɛsa regiment we so a aye amatofa egu sa active video no frɛ esiso nimde kwa nkyere yekura mutwe
Yamamakwa Baba Jumedi Ayatuni Din nimde kwa nkyere atiefo ne ahwefo Ghana National Council of Private Schools ene de aba yedi Jumedi yaba se yedi ba beboa ama ankrankra num sukuu num ama wo haw amane a yewo sukuu mu nyina no yebeyi na die na atumi aboa ama oman nwumasua akonkan ewa anim enti ahwefo ene atiefo nyina yebe sere se munya bre na muntie Jumedi ahoro a egusu a yede bebre mu private schools ye woni pa enu nti ebe sere se awofo mofura teacherfo educational consultants any GS officials nyina no mo behwe nimde kwa nkyere esan se sa dwumadie e woni pa e de mamo obia entra mutuku na fe dwumadie bi o obia no onfa mra no onfa meboa nimde kwa nkyere
Sai ababio na sani amekaye no Ghana National Council of Private Schools penning phone bako ha we die oye Ashanti Regional Coordinator hey oyin paketo amami we it is no ma sorry o bodmo basa na ni abame yahu no program no ehon asem mami Esther Christu Mrs. Epato my own program ma hihye sesia opese schools nete na odi akire tiawa
medase na medate fo nyina so ase mepacho Ghana National Council of Private Schools ye hihye efa ye niema epese de to kwan mu kopum se July beso no na edidi suwe a free 28th of March, which is this Wednesday, general meeting Ashanti Coast Regional Educational Complex, Tafunshia Yeso. On the 9th of April, ye started ye NACOP special mock on 9th of April to 13th of April, and also ye no Hampty Dumpty School, Ahojo. And the MS say, "Wa won ka ho no." Bomodin san say ye ne enkola na ebe wie school no. E na omoko hiem actual special mock no. Ye ba 18th of April so a general meeting so e koso e wo Janet Educational Complex e hwa Tafunshia so. Ye ba 23rd of April 2 days, 23rd and 24th, NACOP submits for proprietaries and head teachers. If machomuma or mumra no golden tulu, mumrana mumeji nimdie de beboa. Proprietors ne person waka samo baby, esan say, eyemu and aye amamu. Mesre NACOP so empenifu bebre. Be the Sajumadi no. I've been in moon, I was Sajumadi ni mu. Said the way I woo a Jumerano, who the air consul, our Jumem. Timestre say, Mumra na Mumesia, na Mufanque a Jumano. Sanacops echo April na 25th and to 27th. Ye yama teacher for early childhood teachers. The best says a mumwa na teachers na emra because say omu titiru and a for foundation and so omu nim the omu ya mami papa wojuma no ebeko form inti mesre say mumra na mumebua say ye to asuko May 7th and 11th May NACOPS supermark and also so ye fred the same children now mo ebe exams no mo so the ababe etuja ababe chere de omo ye net mi aboa sa na ye ko 16th of May and also so a general meeting Janet Water Finshire so NACOPS ye cultural day no Jubilee Park school for ni nyina so I won ka ho no boa na be ka ho na ye mfa won ka Jubilee Park ne ye no ye cultural day enkola ni nyina ene mo mitimi ye kwa kusia kwa koye wo ho nyina esua o school ja koye wo ho general meeting sa akoso June no ye no wo Janet Teacher Complex wa na ye ba June na so a and so sporting activity week no so ye the Prajo Stadium and so bomode na fa oba no ebre school for nkola nya na eye o mo ni ba giso mbaba amaye sa adwumadi no sa na ye koso so ye last in July 2nd and so NACOPS spelling bee and no de nya asem ketewa intimacy say at school rafo no mo moden na mo fa mo ma no emra no mo so emra emeye omo so dia na emwa ema mo friend ko school no mo ntimi sua de so emra mesua me da se papa me pa choma no esi
oh that's pa also abo homodin na me waru hyemu se sani awaka no onbehye date no enso na minim se number bi wo ho a ewo so a esanse bi wo ho no ma doso na ye refi enti number na ewo screen no so na minim se omofra sa 027 0001975 na omofra sa number no a ye betimi enya na
amonsa 0244365074 enka ho
mpato sisubio
0244365074
medase menimza sabri omachrochro atoho na obefro na madwumadi a wahyehyɛ ne kama no etumi akoso mpato na wutie Ashanti Regional Coordinator Ghana National Council of Private Schools obo dwuma papa yasanto a yedanase pa ni enim sɛ dwumadie ni nyina so ebekoso bi twa me ho ketwa bi beba menim penfo beto ankomo twetwe ne so simaka kra bi na afa ye de dwumadie ni nyina aba na wie sɛ wo ye school ru a wo hwɛ me amesrew sabri hwehwɛ NACOPS fo no akikwan na ko register na afa wo kra no so bra dwumadie yi so na ne ma ye koso wo school ho no ye ntinka enye huhu bia we say sa program we no eye private schools program edia yankomra ye ba ye beto ankomo twetwe ne so kakra bi
within the Edward Frempon or maybe I didn't count on an point to Ojina Elmesiaso. The Sentinel Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education, the Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Read media be a yatun edition in their country, Edinburgh Royal TV. Women that way, any women there be a no none fan the cocoa pim no any fan. Side mediation I yatu and Sadia Fred, Umesemu and penny for. Suku a share for any suku and penny for. So Munamra, now 100 that may be a echo school mono, in a home present PC moon. Now so better side media way sua. Aye amatofa egu sa access fiducial free esiso nimde kwankyere yekura mutwe
ye mama kwa baba dwumadi ayato ne din nimde kwankyere atiefo ne ahwefo Ghana National Council of Private Schools ene de aba Ghana National Council of Private Schools
edamo asepa yi na yakọ aba bijina mu ema opening kase Edward Frempon Ghana National Council of Private Schools Communications Director maybe obi a bechia no pa ebeni fo mesram we de mamo eni go dusia besram te wonte ho
yo me da se ye ka na ye fua ne pema ye ka ne se wo hye suku ase a ma enhya ase saa se won hwehwe onya hwehwe mu se de ye kan wo ha obi a bomodia se kasa na se tetefu na egu hono wo be frɛ na wo be hwehwɛ Ghana National Council of Private School ya so eye na ye betimi ni wahia na ye be ma won titiye a ye betumi aboa wo de sese wo de kɔ aban mu de sese wo register de eto sese wo tua GS for sese wo mo ba wo ho ene niema sese wo de gu akwan so wo fa enye ne se wati school no wati school grandpa
full stop Full stop. Doctor. Dosia. Mr. Enibu, Sima, Enibu Dosia.
I mean, the American say, Sabi. School I yet. And yet, penny 40 crown yet. Now we are managed. Into a school. And to say, yeah, I'll say, yeah. And I did about Pom Mecca, a toss and say, oh, house, you. May have the phone and maybe a school, 82 and maybe a school. There can who said, Debia near Massa. Into near my aircon, and you now say, so yet to make up and anti. And tea and a knockups, cassette. What dear, be near now in Tiasia. Bra, the team is there, the research department, they were on the Bema, why won't near many so? No, we say, I will say, we say, I will say, we say, I will say, we say. Now, the school now better about a year, Crabesh. Every second, I saw you see cash. You see, can you share? Let me tell me to me, baby. Now, most I will buy, Sicano, I bet to me up on whom, Home, our bra will Ghana and Colanso.
Our bra will Ghana and Colanso. Doctor, that's a pie, but that's it. My boy, papa. So I can say, come on, someone, you see, and see. It's a say, never pee. Sir, I bring a friend, Ghana National Council of Private Schools, the National Executive Director, Ankwana, Mr. Jitia, Ape, Dr. Jekte Mante Nyakon, or also lecturer, KUST. Obi akotin pa ono so a research and training director of Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Ye dampenin foi asepa ye say to nsafre won na oba ema ye be di djuma etisi na ye di aseda kese pa nso be kwa ma Madam Cecilia Jebi ono so Pella Model School proprietress say oboa so djumedie asene Emma Bibia Corso, and your non qua a Janet Educational Complex, almost so a Kahumbi, one a Pella Model School, and a Boama Jumedi Air Corso, Kama. Yada one sepaye in himself because why is and the Jumedi and the Royal TV station back up as if as Paglu so why now Mananko ye free ho, almost so Adaroma and a Bibia Corso, one. The talent hunter, Landy, and just have the one in them schools in more hunted, and Crawford training proning Cusino, or the old hunted Adoma Chadia. Koi Ibrasa, Namizan, more for about TV, so anybody pa, Joya Pana of Fia, Choma Nata, the Mako Royal TV, Mama Mako Royal TV, Lavana Bra, what a farmer, Mebra, or the old and Banana school, Rama, me and Morbid in a Hanwasa party, who are Ninsam and Waka, na Bibia so Akoso, Fefe. Afe director so Ghana National Council of Private Schools said the omunina se omunim die omomodem mo yenim se brepam ye behu omo ha no mudjuma omudi awo nakos nimu no omode aba na yehu se ne ebesi aboma private education awo Ghana etimi akoso se ne ese na efata enti se sie die e asidanko na grandpa ba ko pe grandpa Mr. Timothy Jebi, ono na betina gwam de ma onia Edward Frempong enti no menso so nim se brepam no me no ba san ye hia na ye be hia bio no na ya ye nhihye enti se onfa number na we screen no so na fa na frɛ ofra ebi epaka akosi talent hunter no so obeba ebi eba be si Onia Frempong so ebi eba ko si National Executive Director so ebi abefra fa bia na ebeba ya behwe de ekoso na ya boawo enye se bia betonyo mayinti nko ya pese private education ekoso ko nim se business o na so how private schools from no enye asamketwa fees pa nkan di kofi omuntia o jai school we no okowe Ojaiwe no ko we ni nyina no ye wa no adura ya hihye kwan e be fa so a ebetumi aboa fa ho bedom na course na ebeboa ama o school akoso edi na o ti se ne ebe buti je wani beje edi mo so for grandpa ba ko pe nana jebi ebesen ye hia afeda bye bye.
Within the Edu Frempong, or maybe I didn't count on an impuntu age na Elmesiaso. The Sentinel Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education and Ghana National Council of Private Schools.